I go to the Philippines, you know, I go visit. I can't stay in there for 2 months. I can't do it.
Think you should be something I don't wanna hold back. Check it out.
Hi guys, good morning. Good morning. I'm still wearing the same thing from yesterday, this one, because last night we fall asleep, you know, we just lay down over there watching the show. That's it, because my husband wasn't staying long last night. Well, he fall asleep also. He planned to leave like 12, but he ended up leaving at 1:30 because he's early today. And the thing about the dog, yeah, I'm lying down in that a couch that we make it like flat to make it like a bed thing. And the dog just keep getting up and keep kissing me. They won't leave me alone right now. And the only thing they look at this, they're always like constantly begging you to go out. Look, every time I see that word, their head is just popping like boom, like that. Oh my god, that hurts my neck. Yeah, so right now I just did a coffee. I transferred the coffee right here. Yung asawa ko, my husband ka called or apply yesterday online the Time Warner, the cable and the internet, because the Verizon that we have, it's not Sprint, guys. It's Verizon, the one that we have, the telephone with the internet with the international call. They told us that there is international. They're fighting right now, fighting with one bone. But end up every time I call, they charge us. And then when we call them, they said that they don't have international call, so which is a lie. Because we're going to apply for another one. Stop it, huh? Di maminaw. We did apply for the Time Warner, which is with the TV already, and the telephone, and the internet. Oh my god, Roxy, it's just whining too much, guys. These two dogs are maniac. Hold on, guys. I just put the candy away because I'm afraid if they might eat it. It's all chocolate. It can kill them. Roxy, where are you?
I'm waiting and always hesitating. Kryptonite desires set my heart afire. Heart on fire.
That was heavy. Oh gee.
Set my heart afire.
These two maniac can't leave me alone. You just like begging me all the freaking time. I'm trying to freaking figure it out. I'm the one who's doing it for 8 years, and now I don't remember how to plug it all together because it's separate plug. So now I can't plug it all together. I don't know how. Shit. And plus these two puppies just annoying me like crazy. Do you want to go out all the time, guys? Let's see, where is the dog? I'm always checking with the dog. I don't want them to get out accidentally because, you know, there's a lot of, probably a lot of deers. I don't know what kind of animals in here. There's gonna be different kind of animals that can eat the dog. And the deer won't eat the dog. The deer is very nice and cute, and they're very lovable. But you know, maybe there is coyote in here. Coyote can eat the dog, rip them apart. But yeah, so that's what I'm worried about. And plus it's winter, and those animals are looking for food, so they're gonna keep coming down here from the mountain, gonna keep down to the town to look for food. I like to have Christmas early, that I can feel the Christmas vibe early in the house. I can feel the Christmas spirit early in the house, because if you have to do it like, you know, like December 10 or December, I want to start it always in November. Well, in the Philippines, I think it's always start when it's come to bear, this, you know, September, October. When October, you know, people are starting already like Christmas lights, something like that. So, you know, in the to us, the Christmas spirit is very early, and it's very serious to us, because, you know, well, it's very serious over here too when it comes to gifts. But over us, it's very serious. Just get God, you know, going to church and get together with friends and fun thing, you know, because we can't really afford gifts to everyone, every loved ones we have. But it's just like the happiness of being together. I don't know. Look at this dog. Won't stop begging for like going OUT, guys. It's just not. Behave, Roxy. You're sleeping. You're tired. Go to sleep. Go to sleep. You should go to sleep. Go lie down with Misty. God. Puting Christmas. I don't know why there's extra. I'll scroll this one. I guess I'll put that there. So why this one is going up? Hold on. It's not going down. Oh gee. Annoying. Very annoying creature. Then let me see if it works. If not, why some lights are not? Some lights are not working. Hold on.
Think you broke my heart, oh girl, for goodness sake. You think I'm crying on my own, well I ain't. And I didn't wanna write a song, cause I didn't want anyone thinking I still care, I don't. But you still hit my
Better over
phone
there.
up.
Let me try it, not moving too much.
And I think you should be something I don't wanna hold back. Maybe you should know that my mama don't like you and she likes everyone. And I never like to admit that I was wrong. I've been so caught up in my job, didn't see what's going on, but now I know.
Because somebody asked me on my previous vlog. I'm sorry if you can hear noises because I'm watching TV and the fireplace it's on. So I'm going to read the comment. We'll put it down here, guys. And she's asking. She is May. I just want to ask a couple of questions, if you don't mind. How old are you two? That means me and Tommy. Tommy is 56. He turned 56 last September, and I'm 32. I'm turning 33. I'm turning 33 very soon. And do you have kids together? If so, how many? No, we don't have kids. We have 2 dogs and 2 cats. So that's our kids. She said that, do you have plan to have kids? Yes, of course. We both want kids. My husband is very good with kids. If he become a father, he'll be the best father in the whole wild world, because, oh my God, he has a big heart on every kid, whoever it is. And he is a really good father if we have kids. But unfortunately, we don't have yet. Keep praying. And what is this? Yeah, keep praying, and we just, hoping that we have kids. Hoping and praying that God gave us, even just one, we're good. But for now, we don't have yet. So thank you, Ram, for your question. And yeah, so thank you so much. Bye. Anyway, guys, I'm just watching. The show is a really good show, guys. It is, how do you call that? The Worst Tenant. The Worst Tenant. It's very interesting to watch. So, tapos na akong maligo. Saka basang-basa pa yung buhok ko. Sobrang basa. At saka, I'm wearing blue sweater. And itong asong to, si Roxy, sobrang, it's very lazy. She always give me her bone. And she gave me her bone, and then look, she's gonna come over here and give me her bone. Look, she want me to hold it, and that she can just like, you know, because of the floor here, and every time she do this, bone is slide everywhere, so she need helps. She do this to me when she was young, so now she won't forget that I always help her. That's why she kind of like very lazy. She's kind of lazy dog. When she's eating, she lie down and she just like, yeah, that's how she is. She is very, that's her bone. And that's what, this bone, that's why we give them a rawhide bone, because it's good for their teeth. Get rid of the tartar and whatever nastiness in their teeth. She pulled it apart. Look, she know it now. She can pull it. Look, she have the other piece. So no, I can't help you with that now. That's very small. You might bite my finger. You can do it yourself. Yeah, you can do it yourself. I love you. I love this one. I think that's why she kind of very clingy. That's why she whines so much. You know what I think? Why she does that? She whine and stuff like that because I baby her too much. I think that's what happened. I baby her too much, like a real baby. Like I carry her, I kiss her, like, you know, so like every time she do something, I always like pay attention to her. Misty, I do pay attention. Misty is very loving dog. She is a loving dog, but she is not a whiner. She doesn't whine like Roxy. And if she, you know, you get mad at her, she just give you love back. She's like keep asking you forgiveness, like give you kisses, and even though you are so mad. And Roxy, in the other hand, she is the kind of dog that when you get mad and she run away because she know she get punished when she do bad. Just a while ago, I went to the shower. I don't close the door, the bathroom door. When I went to the second floor, Roxy's already whining down here, and I've been yelling in the shower already. Come over up here, come here, like, you know. I told them to come up, and then when they came up to the bathroom, she just kept whining, and she wanna get in the shower. She just like want to be with me all the time. And so I was thinking when I get down here, I was thinking, oh my god, what if I go to the Philippines, you know, I go visit. I can't stay in there for 2 months. I can't do it. The first time I went to the Philippines is with Tommy, 2010. We stayed over there for like 3 weeks, and then I went back to the Philippines 2012. That was December, and then I stayed there for 3 months. Yeah, I stayed there for 3 months. I went back here February. The last one, 2015. That's when I went back last year, 2015, to the Philippines. Now I was thinking, I can't go to the Philippines and stay 2 months or even 1 month, you know. I can't do it because now I have 2 dogs, I have 2 cats, and the cats, they can survive. They're very independent. The cats are very independent. This dog, it's not really. And my mother-in-law can't be like taking care of them 24/7. Alam nyo ba kung ano ang namimiss ko, guys? Yung I put the camera close to my face. Yung namimiss ko yung sobrang kain. What? No, namimiss ko ng kumain ng linupak, guys. Linupak na saging, at saka maraming coconut, shredded coconut, at saka yung parang ihulma siya. Oh my god, I miss that. Sana may saging dito. Kasi, pag may saging na, yung klaseng saging na yon, yung hold on, yung parang ilulupak nyo. Look at that. They're crazy. They're having a they're having a good time. Look at that. That's what you need. Look, the 3 leaves in the back, it's no more leaves, right? It's gone. Only these 2 trees have that very nice color. Look at those 2 dogs. They're having fun. You can play. You go play. You can go play. I'm just baking with this one. There's the Nutella. It's almost finished. This is really good though. Okay. How about that? How about that? Iwan ko kung bakit nag-inarte na yung bayhana yan. Ay, ginoo ko kaarte ba. Tapos na yung binibake ko. Andun na sa... Andyan. Tapos na kainin ko mamaya. Mahiga muna ako. It's 11. Oh no, it's 11. It's 6:30 already in the evening and I shut the light off. Hi guys. Nakahiga na ako. At saka yung aso. Kaso gusto kong kumain ng brownies. Ito. Naman. Sobrang sarap eh. I'm going to, before that, I'm going to check the garage. Okay. So, the other night, when Kami was here, the garage opened itself. The 2 garage door opened because of the key, the remote control. So what I'm going to do now is, because I'm gonna bring the 2 dogs upstairs, so I'm gonna brush them to get whatever in their skin, because I'm gonna bring them upstairs, right? Right, Misty? Because you're a good girl. Roxy! Oh, Roxy's right there. What a good girl. What a good girl. Don't walk. We're gonna go upstairs? Are we gonna go upstairs? Oh, you're sleeping. Yeah, you're gonna go upstairs. Okay. Ito yung ano namin dito, guys. Ito yung bed ko. At saka doon yung sa aso. Yeah. I know some people is not a dog lover. It's kinda disgusting, but if you have a dog, no, it's not disgusting as long as your dog is clean. I wipe their paws already, everything is clean to them, and you know, just okay. Night night, sleep here. Night. No, Roxy, stay in your Roxy, stay over there. No. Lie down. Night. Look, they stay over there. They're a good girl. Okay. Anyway, guys, good night. I will see you what happened to my thing. Yeah, so iwan ko ba. So anyway, guys, good night. I will see you in my next vlog. Bye. Night.
Mess before the city primary.
My husband and I will see. He's leaving me today. He's leaving me today. He